PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is proud to be a trusted choice for HVAC Inspection Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, and while the best HVAC contractor can depend on your specific needs, we consistently strive to deliver top-tier service and reliable results. Our team specializes in all aspects of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, ensuring every HVAC system we inspect is evaluated with precision and care. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. How long does a typical HVAC inspection take? A typical HVAC inspection usually takes between 60 to 90 minutes, depending on the size of your property and the complexity of your HVAC system. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we take a thorough approach to every inspection, carefully evaluating all major components of your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, including the HVAC control system, cooling and refrigeration functions, and overall system performance. Can an HVAC inspection improve energy efficiency? Yes, a professional HVAC inspection can significantly improve energy efficiency by identifying issues that cause your HVAC system to work harder than necessary. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we thoroughly evaluate your entire heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, including the HVAC control system, airflow, and key components responsible for cooling and refrigeration. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.